Nyankopon ankasa eteki da Nyankopon ankasa oteki the form as protection to protect the devotees, to protect us. And you know, unse Nyankopon based on the devotees, and I say omo somo no send your somo ne fa no Nyankopon ti me manifesting ho in a way they can relate with. And you know, that day was a very, very auspicious day. Your friend of the very important day, and a Nishingadev appearance day. A Nishingadev appearance day, the day of protection.
Okay.
Yes, the Lord Himself will protect you. Ahubambo. Yes, Ahubambo. It's in Yankopon form now. Ahubambo no that day no appear in this material world based on the astrological calculation and Western calculation. Okay. So based on astrological calculation, near calculating we know the specific day that form no appear in this material world million years ago. Tino sad dano and this ceremony we are a friend of fire sacrifice. A lot of people coming from different places. Maybe fi Aflao, maybe fi Kumasi, near by yes, because they know the importance of this program. Because somebody machiache and in Yema a lot of people trust what we do. So in Crawford baby eba that program no na the whole temple no cry I full.
Yeah,
yes.
Yes, but temple inside na masoja no.
Yes, ya soja no. Say ya afori mukia bi.
Ya ye kanku ade.
Yes.
Ene
jani won finfin. Enu mu na ye sa ceremony no. Na obia wote ho no also is taking part of the ceremony because the ingredients are not saying bia or the egu jenim because that day no you invoke the form into the fire and I'm sending a picture bia obi na the ultra picture no and or the betche me that form no appears in the fire. Yes, the form appeared in the fire that day and it's
form nature saying
that form no na half lion half human. That is the form of protection, the Lord of protection, and that is the form or the bar that day. Na a genuine ubi picture ni we no, and or day picture no, ascending and say, oh, Monsieur, na ye ceremony in way picture when I me say Jatano APF genuine. Yes, into no me send a picture natural. Me send a picture no, and it's not the first time that is happening. Is that based on the devotion and the dedication of the people around the priest, you know, the Lord can manifest Himself into the fire for the people to also get the blessings. And it's that day, a very, very serious day. After the ceremony, you know, and go be free near dance, near dear, or more communicating with us.
Me share picture no, ewa me say a beba Facebook see na wo se nipa bebre gina ho obi ayi o mo phone o mo twa ba wo na wo yes of panyin na wo ye adwuma yi na
na me yes adwuma no yes
wo panyin zana next time wo ba bacho mame koto from ona etu una na won set up na wo ti wo no
me na me ti ho no mo na
I was saying my mamre and topless
me na me ti ho no that is what I do and yes
the very she does asamwa but picture no frame when ya the ya circle no wo hwe ba bia circle na wo ti say ejana dane.
Yes, obehu betimi ahye ni yi pa.
Afi na mehu ni.
Yes, obetimi ahu ade ni ti. Uhu ni ti ni a.
Ejana for me aboa bi ase obi enanum kakra.
Yes.
Ti eno no obi.
That is the form. The Lord of protection or a half lion, half human.
Oh, okay.
Yes, so he appeared in the fire based on the devotion and the dedication of the people around and the priests. So it's not the first time it's happening. It's not the first time it's happening. it happens.
It's muye isa ayi ya tesi.
Taisi, a taisi,
Wow.
taisi, yes.
But
You know,
and then depends through.
oh, there be because nyame adia is based on godly things, divine things. You know, obia ensuro, obia were very positive vibration, positive mind. You know, now obia ehwehwe DNA or the feel if you buy obu ha na ayawaresem obu ha na yesikasem obu ha nso na ye protection or hwehwe free nyankopon ho. You know, many people, and according to the scriptures, you know, it says that there are 4 people that approach God. The inquisitive, the distress, the one who is looking for money or wealth, and the one who is looking for knowledge. These are the 4 people who approach Nyankopon. And all those 4 people, you know, they are bona fide to worship God.
Okay.
Yes. And you know, all of them, you know, based on their desires and any mindset, you know, omubetimi nya bibi, omenya enso faso efiso. But omo knowledge, you know, they are the one who stays. Because omamba fosikasem, omamba se me pese minya me ho, debi or per se usua dear emani nyam yenim dear mani nyam som ECP. So these are the 4 people who approach God. And you know, onkophobia omukwa asori bia na na say omukwa mosques and also omukwa temple bia no, you will find these 4 people in them. Yes, you will find that same 4 people, no, in that place. And you know, that day, no, a lot of people come with different desires. And after the ceremony, a lot of people are sending feedbacks near the idea how Nema kuko ye ma omu, because this ceremony, no, na very, very powerful. And yet only here na a worldwide thing.
At the same time.
Yeah, the same time in the world. US, Germany, Italy, the same time because they understand and also knows the importance of that day. Yes, it's, you know, you can see from the pictures a lot of public, you know, you will not see a lot of people crowd inside. Yes.
But I mean, who say access fruits and vegetables we should see?
Yes.
Yeah, no, more the other.
Nyankopon adia ope ane esese nipa yen esum Nyankopon ye de ma no. Nti no, according to the scriptures, Nyankopon kire say adia ope eye fruits, flowers, any water ompem adia bia de mojasemu bia aka ho. Eye niema wawudi a ebeboa wo nipadua to say grains in money ade enye to sacrifice animal to put some living things into difficulty. Now pese please you be there be Nyankopon penesa nti no hu fruit no around that fruit were a offering to God. That day. Yes, a offering to God.
To say the Bible mu Bible mu no Abrante Kenny Abel.
Yes.
The castle monko sacrifice. Obi di ni nua ba wo ye ho adwuma e na koy no bi so de nemwa.
Yes.
Ebi na koy, ebi no.
Yes, ebi no we advance. We advance way. We no unse me recite prayers.
Okay.
Now prayers na me recite in Sanskrit.
Okay.
Sanskrit is the oldest language in the whole world. Yes, who read the Bible now, it just say emre bi wo ho ana ye nyina ye kakasa baako. But nobody asked what language it was. Sanskrit.
Oh, okay.
Yes, Sanskrit, you know, the language of the demigods and I say angels.
Oh, okay.
And only language and kasa omuka. And you know, because say we are going far from nature, no kasa no so eko. Yes, and you know, kasa the eastern side, I can say India, China, Tibet, and all those places. But no country can say mikasa. Send ye kase chi akan focus. There be Sanskrit there and you be kasa. Yes, it's a ancient
universal
language. Kasa ni nano say who study Sanskrit very well. Who say there are similarities. Obia can be big now. You can get it from that Sanskrit language, you know.
It is a kasa no moka. Na omudi see the Tower of Babel, no.
Yes.
Ah, nyakupo hu say nipa kabum, e kabum say omudo madwene yadia. Huno. Ah, ono a e kasa oto kasa hodo gu omo so, e confuse omo no. Sa kasa no, ni nyame nu nka nimisa say kasa no.
Yes.
Yem na e friend Sanskrit.
Sanskrit, no. Sanskrit. Yes, Sanskrit. And you know, unse me recite me kakasa bia na ye Sanskrit. Enya ade a unse ye kasa tonsa. Tons no obi antimi nkyira ase. Obi anti ase obi kan herebo babasha baba. Obi anim de oka. Ba me ka Sanskrit na me meti ase and obi a wasua Sanskrit no also can also understand.
Anti etimi sua.
Utimi sua. Say nya ade ye de wo me. Eye nimde training.
You go through the
training then wa usua Sanskrit na ni ade.
Wow.
Yes.
Hey, you be fa ba bi ebi. You be sua ni nyina asi. Share in Yagro. Ellen Suaha, Ellen Oya. And Ellen the what it Sobulu by also the pineapple juice by also the what did you have? We are able to and then say, I did use your nature say, Yin Yan Namuri, but just as
yes.
Yin Namuri.
No, say, Oka si yenjai namuria. Very difficult. Idea, say, Obiano, especially majority of us in fee and color brimuno, Yarina Mache.
Maria,
difficult. Na se oti and namuria sia. Then Obian can't say jai. Why you yourself you will stop it.
Oh, okay.
Because when you know the difficulty and the pains you are putting to other living entities are, we won't work at all markets and I worry. But I won't name the send your mufa sukuma buano. Yes. Maybe now buano cranonim. I and Aqualashe nefum. They don't think about all those things. No makwachia buano no mukunu. Oko slaughterhouses are. Ube who say money bebre soon. And you see etne, but because he say they don't think of all those things, you know, no more kumomo. And you know, we are graduating from meat eating to a human being, eating of human beings, because human beings or the living entity, the way you create, you know, we are pleasure-seeking entities. So yenya adesisia na ye. Adia ye perfume no efimu wi a ye pade foforo. That is how Nyankopon boy. Enu nti no ya hwe na mo saa nti no very soon enam wi enye ye debiem. Now no we will focus on say Marie Aponche, Marie Okraman, Marie Jamwa, Marie Owo, Marie all those things. Omuni na mabre se say dia mame nkonipa.
The way I walk
yes.
You do that.
Yes.
And check the other story you have Chinese airport for Mosizi and Naka be free Nigeria. Then Naka no service for Moti with the Monimo ferry and Mema Koti Makuma 73,730,000.
Yes.
And you did China Potom.
Yes.
Now Michelle BBC report to be a Bakubia no bo almost by $50,000.
Okay.
Okay. Nipa never it's your do.
Yes. So that is how the life is going to be. Si enjai na more na we don't develop compassion for the lesser beings now. This is where by nature no, and I say by our activities no, we will rise to. According to the Shrimad Bhagavatam no, it just say there will be a time obani be mabeshia omunhia mu no se omobe wo na omowo a omoba na omekuma mamare. Yes, that is what is going to happen if people don't change from that act, you know. Now oman go to normal aduane a ebeboa honam no nkrofo read nam because say omo pe protein, but protein no aboa no okori bibi and onya protein no. So why can't we look for that protein, the main source no, indi na yenya protein no? So enunti na nkrofo read nam bebrebe
say your plant protein so.
Yes, like soya.
Yeah.
Soya beans. Beans itself. And no containing a lot of nutritious ingredients. And I say like
never say also
protein. Yes, protein. Yes. And also serious protein. I no crab boy you beduane sen enamo ye. Na ye ka so a won. Ye ka say emmoa mo hwe nam no won. Emmoa mo hwe nam no omo nso no. Omo intestines no very short.
Okay.
So when they eat meat a very it take just short time for them to digest it. But nipa intestines ni very long. So si di enamwa na ebi akeka yansunu mu, ebi akeka some part of the system inside the system na e cause cancer, e cause all those different sickness. Enuti ne ye brei see ye perceive all those things from our system. We don't want to suffer. We are and there because of consumption of animals. So if we know this, we change your eating habits. We try say ye be ma emwa so they live their own life. We will see say enyema bebre be sesan wa ya brabom. A lot of things ebe change. Ye ka say ya na nkra no obi antimi ntu kwan ye yentimi nye de be say ye because of what? Coronavirus. Now COVID-19 then they buy you see obi no wakwe nam wakwe say and wakwe say into all these things are coming from animals. Why the living and also why say human beings yen change ya dream enfi enamwe
yes say ya dream free
enamwe ho
na de na ke en kana masem na de ne e ba be ka asase ni fie ho asem na ye de akofa na musa no
yes
kami wonam ho questions pa bisa because me na say no na da for doctor bi ka dey say babuwe ti wonam we no so and I'm say den or started we fish kakra sa ubija na mo and my check here will say me yes and boy me say me meat me fish in corner me
yes
everything fish
is kakra
yes Eden bra ma me dan question say na kan ya wi na mo fi enkwara bremanti ni ja Eden ba yen kwa asase so na me ka say amanfo bi a problem me say no crazy say me koto asase a me ni de ya ye no wasase no suntino etimi say me bibia. Is it true?
Yeah, Mr. Olamido, so we beside this question. Incrophobic many times you see say sanyama we been edi omunya.
Okay.
Because asasi bia na ye si dan wo so no. Ana say un say nsuo bia dawa na ho keke. Nsuo no tumi ewo nsuo nim. A hono see a resident of some entities. Motim we fish free wa in koto wo in potro wom. And no yet near you can see them physically.
Yeah.
But the ye metaphysical no almost wo nsuo ni mu a hono they reside there hono ni omufi. Intino assassin so the same thing say asasi bia no anyankopon abono no ye wo demon bia ye fe no vastu purusha. Na vastu purusha no or wasase so na a long story but me ye be pemre ni aba be chirechire ni the reason why vastu purusha no buy na vastu purusha no or wasase bia so enyo no nko na wo ho se ni wo nsuo mu no nsuo ye ka se po a obi ka se o ma me wata ene ye in charge of nsuo but enyo no kure
that cross e bi ma me wata
yes enyo no kure your hwe nsuo so ni your friend Varuna your friend Varuna or your bema enyo ba yes enyo ba but you with different entities into bebre no the one they can communicate and I say they can get access to no mami water level but Varuna no or a demigod or a very senior personality into no asasi bia no so your personalities are omoteti asasi so and many of the land no so no aye emusie pen omo de sisi nipa pen into all those elementals no they are still on the land. Intinu ubia wakoto asase unim enwo hwe ukoto ya obo se wo start se wo ye hu bibia na wadwuma a wo ye no bibia sei bibia sei enkrofo frame de bia especially brochifo no omo fra o se o mekoto asase bia me ye hu adwuma the moment say me start say me sia madwuma me ye yimi adwuma oh yes ye yimi adwuma na niam me ye kra na se asei me hu de menye so eyade a happen enya ade a ye boye tirimu ka eyade a happen enti no asase bia no to me wo so na before say wo be esi wo dan ana say wo be ye afuo wo be ye bibia wa asase no so no ese say wo pacify enima na wo asase no so say me mam kose me sremu me be say me ya ade wo asase so mo ma me ho kwan na me nye say wo ti wo dem no obi ba odi full force say eja frudani mu ko a how will you feel? You will not feel comfortable. So we are here, only ni panebeko. Yeah. Yes. So who nya den so a obe go obi a ono obetimi ni o ma aye bibi. So these entities, you know, they see say you are not respecting them, their privacy. So what I can do is to attack you. Attack you in any say omo we say wo ne mama wo. Say na be ya wuntimi mesi bibi. Wuntimi ma ye hwe wo so. Obi wo so no nim class asase na ye sa wo. Onim wakoto asase ba ko na jinu ko so say e na me koto asase ya me bibia sai sa yes enunti no ana asase ni mu bebre wo ho so o ma ye niam basabasa wa asase no so na no youth no omo mfereshi omo konwura mu a no mo ni obi akwakoda wo ho akobo adwaman wo ho nti no tumi na wo ho no mo no omo buafu nti ne se wo kɔ hɔ nom sa wo kɔ akɔye bibisa o mu de o mabufuo kra no abaso awoso se wo no yeti ha na ye dwen ye ho no wo ba be cause distraction amaye ebi won so abon say na say stories e be ba wo ye be kɔ nwura bi ye kɔ obi da ho yes e be kɔ ebi no bi akɔse no wakɔ yes na say ba ku bi o mu kɔ fo mu firi nwura mu ye twitwa mu ti egu nwura mu no obi akɔhu no de o mu ba yes it is that 2 minutes no mo tena sa so yes o mo tena ho enu ntino se wo nim ho akande a wo nim ho nimidi a no akoto asase no osi o me be real estate development no akosi dan na nkrofo o se wo o ma ha wo kra no a wasi dan na wie na nkrofo abetena mu no na afedi o mu di omunya se obi wo ho a obetena dan mu for 10 years 20 years maybe o ya adwuma bi kra obetimi save credit sini dan but the moment obe wura dan ni mu no e ma na adwumu da kra se onto asase yes ni niema ni na be jiregu ni niema ni na be bofom yes intino eyade a ewo ho say obi pese otodan obi pese osifie bibia all those things na is advice say you approach nkofo a womanim omo hu nimde se ne awu ken se yesi si dan bia na se nipa bi wu wo mu a yeah e wo kuma se ampa me number 1 yes ebi krasi wo koforidua eno so saa na nkrofo ntimi ntina dan nim esem ko fro obi ebe ye nyankama ade ne ade to pacify the person say onko omunja ne kwan ansa no nipa ne koya ansa ne nkrofo timi tina fie ho say ade esi ntino nkrofo ye kasa ne ye bese ye mankrofo enya nimdie se ne omukoto asase so omuko sidan omuko rent house ana say bibia sana omunye the necessary things before they move in ade ba ko so a ma observe ye no so obi twima di so say abra who said who say enkofo bebre wa abrochi o mato asase se o mu sidan e den akodu level bi o mu ntimi nto aso da yes aka yes Mr. Ola that's what happened yes no bi ama be fa yes obi so a wasidan na wi oba ni refi kra so wasidan bi oba bi yes it happens eyade esi na nkofo who say can someone a lot of people I always make this statement say people listening to things in some just to respond but not to understand said their wo kanu ababi wom the nipa we kanu bibi wom a esese me famu aba omonka yen ani yakosuen yade metumi dia se me dan mu baabi aye de meye mabusuani bi to dan ana se oto asase a metumi akwa ye ho ne mama no but because he say ye person grofo efi sa niema we munti no ye ba bontin e be kirekire niema obi o kra wasi dan edua no kra wo de asi ifie no kra no e cause problem dan no a dino the way a dino face and also moi and you vastu you can say vastu ye a science so obinimua senia you see dying obu ha na eastern side wakosi toilet wo ho which is very very dangerous mashi mafi ho eastern side so because we have 4 cardinal points east west south north now all those things science all those cardinal points and now okay as I say who see who dying at their particular place who do gate grabeto yes as I say who prayer room beto baby who hall and I say bedroom baby as I say a facey yes, because yes, they don't care about all those things. But they're very, very important. Obuoha or that made me actually.
Okay.
See, the eastern side, a place a honumuna auspiciousness comes from. Who saying cremoformo bompire, and if I no east. The eastern side.
Yeah.
Because a honumuna intelligence, wisdom comes from.
Oh, okay.
Yes. So when they are paying their yomu prayers now, a lot of people say face kaba but no correct because the eastern side a honumuna auspiciousness. East and north are very auspicious. Say baby maybe your prayer room and I say baby uye usika semono. That is where it's supposed to be.
I'll say facing
east. But in Kofobe bring in this thing, no man could see on my toilet. I face east.
Baby, I said baby and the sick I said bano. Or the toilet room now could see you.
Yes.
Right in a different.
Yes. Into a bed in says Sikano Beba Fioa, a betna. Sikani Baya, Obu Honsa, who say Obi Fie, like your house. One of the thing a Krofo aim a very big science. Say o fie not tap o tap no se baby abo to kro na nsuo fi ho a mesra say ubesi ni ntem because that is how sikabe running wo fi ho yes
sisubi
yes so wo tap
wo say ye ma say wo pipe wo fi
baby a tap ne bia ne pipe bia wo dem e wo fie nim na se baby e leak ya sino ntem when see na that is how I obey spend sika
media me kitchen hono na leaky
yes Mr. wa sintem
eno akra si efe nso no kra ma biem eti na se me ho chiri mi
yes science
na leaky o
yes
mama mia
intini sa won tini ma we ase a you think say
also can be seen in time
you see no the moment you see say water head drip you baby fast no we see no because water no and yet just water is part of the 5 elements. Your fire, earth, water, ether, and air. These are very, very important. You give access, say, oh, water ne kono na usika air flow. But the moment you block that thing, so you're very sensitive. A posse, sika semna posse.
Sentina dade ade meet me nyenye Yesu frema savido untitia avido ungetia project matina wo sam asembe abenso ni kra ma biemo
yes wa block it you should not block it
Yesu
gire shema internet say we find a plumber no makoye no ma si anu kwan ma send anase send ensuo no end repeat da obi wo ha or da na ne knife face east then awunya then what are you thinking shima emma no creative thing will come to your mind for you to be a creative person because your leg is facing east esese uti and facing east so receive the vibration. A lot of people don't think nim awia kra eboy and bebre yare but if they concentrate on their energy on this area no omyare ni na beko yes and until now when say full moons edua a lot of people very very into some person performing some spiritual things because they know say every full moon biano there's a vibration, some projection bia, and I said some energy bia moon in ediba. You know, people who know this, you know, and I've been teaching on social media, especially YouTube and Facebook, foot soak, any energy cleansing, all those things. And you know, bibia nyankopon abo bia no enye kwa unima unim ese se ubisa.
Hey, me pipe passing me the more dreaming.
Yes.
Anyway. I was saying pepper plumber because pipe will go Africa the maybe.
Pepper plumber fast.
Me the 1+1 cut 2 who cut 3 1. Martino maybe as is here.
Yes.
Same here. Now I can shit. Sikana shit. Now it's obi asasi e man the problem and I say obi akoto asasi say na e ka no. Now what they say what tie no say percent here. Every time me to asasi we ntina we abai. Etina me see that ya meet me we. Die na onye.
Oh, mostly no. Yo enema bebre wo ha. Mostly no yo enema bebre a obetimi aye but mostly enya ade a eye yebetimi a kire wo kwan ho.
Okay.
Yes, because most of the people no o kire ade a no mo church to wo no mo ne ade obehu mo no mo so mo madane mo spiritual leaders.
I am told I say yes ni na nkran di achi social. Met me no mo directors. No mo can action card we go already o ye no go.
Yes. And untino esese wo approach obi a wo hu nim de na wa kire wo se eyade a esese okọ asase ne so na okọhwe what is the best thing to do for you a obetumi akọ no akoyi bibia ama wo se science nyame de adom yen but unnimu a esese wo bisa se wo pese wo tu kwan na wo nim ekwan a ekọ no a esese obisa obi a wakọ da yes. It's you know many people no omu bisa eno ne so omu yade but majority of the contractors now more outside the world no before some be see dan no some be close the whole place because omu person will be hu the omu ye wasase ne so and majority of them no they know the science especially who invite Indians yes see this flag star house Jubilee House here omu invite nkofo ebe ye ceremony hu wo TV so omu be ye bi sa e wo honom
ye Jubilee
House yes
am possible India for the mai o be si mai
yes
yeah
because they understand it and you will see how they place the building now the building is facing east. Yes because yes because
Jubilee House presidential house no omu be see and omu di omu nim die
yes they use Vastu Shastra your friend Vastu Shastra eno no ebe kire every building biano how it should be designed where it should face everything is dead omu be kire bibia and the moment omu ye sade no a obi bia obetina dan mu bia no feel more comfortable feel if say oh I no there I can do whatever I want to do and it'll be successful. Yes.
Abrofunu dey see bakuna na omanpeni before me e from say Castle Osu Castle that one na president for it no send a slave for die and abrofunu dey see abrofuna net yo and I say India for so be see we my and no more esino in such a way omo esum no eche wo
yes sum no eye science make us say nyame achede a odi adom yenina but unhunu untiase a obeka say you be some and you be asom
me kai abra no mo ye sofulan kwan omo ba be start adwuma na jubi mi twam yakata ho nyina na emusie ewo mfifi who say Jeffrey Muba asema oka na makai ni
they are performing those things
so for like kwai no
yes even bridges some be here dams
the people say what Kumasi da
me ko Kumasi but me
unim so for like I say interchange say be ever say do me no pokua see
okay yes
answer no mo be no
yes
no mo ye do baby no who make you do a certain day over Korea, Bibisa. No more air bonfire, no mugumo.
Yes.
Hey!
Because you don't
Yes. Oh, India for Nomoya.
Yes. Because of just here, a year ceremonial, they invite personalities. Because at the end of Omo a serious thing. Nipa ne babe faso. So they have to invite personalities. Who say the demigod in charge of architecture, no? Your friend of Vishwakarma.
Vishwakarma.
Yes, he is in charge of architecture. And you know, all the architectures in the world, and I say Obia or deep knowledge of architecture, no? They worship or they honor that personality. And above what or share in drone in also. Your friend Davantari. Your friend Davantari. A lot of people are doctors, big doctors in the world. Maybe I will come office crown and any picture on my office.
But India for so this
you can say Davantari, I almost made it too.
India big doctors be almost so this
Davantari, yes. It's made it too obi because maybe based on his astrological chart, almost me say a din say and I want the manual fatano. And you see say your friend Davantari or a big doctor.
Or a doctor, yeah.
Yes.
Wow.
So we don't.
And there's a pharmaceutical company. I think it has that name attached to it.
Wow. Yes. So you will see, say he's holding a higher demigod. Ukita ubuhunu kita support be or a very very powerful in Ayurvedic, herbal, and all those doctors. Many of them worship that personality.
Am I confused?
Don't be confused.
Me pipe here, say me how me bow.
Oh yes.
What's my ID?
Yes.
It's only maybe.
Yes.
Now me hear calculation 1, 2, 3, 4. Things say I did 30 years, I did 30 years. And a man fear, I did after maybe, I did so maybe.
Yes. So we finish. Be a besuo fie biano. Say a prompt you. A man who say bibi ABC. Something is going to happen.
One time for your mind. Yes. I'm not joking.
Yes.
It's serious.
And I'm promising you, may catch will say, after you fix this thing, just notice something. Who say near my best son?
Yes. Testimony.
Yes.
My confusion. I didn't have you. I'm not going to. I will be a pipe.
Fix it.
Na sinking a blocky because no leaky man feel and I'm the idea show say man my question because me need me one that me do fi anado I feel maybe na me calculate 1 2 3 I be starting a project laka say brother is kind of maybe
yes
yeah now oh unima obi ni mo obi trampa Brian Yamisha ati.
Yamisha also. No way my power here.
Say no. What say assassin one day that this any pan be hu.
Yes.
And a fear so wasem no.
Fear
so be hu. It mean chen wo.
Fear dear. Me say oh movie call a fear call a new house yes adia kitwa bi na metimi a kire for the meantime. Will be to me but people engrofo inform and inko omo bu ni say a the phone.
Okay.
And you know so we move yako a fear for one of the first thing and before you move in and say obepe cow down.
How do I
yes. Nanchi ebini. Now the agunsium. You make sure say a bit dissolve it. I mix it with the water. Use that cow dung to mop the whole building.
Yeah.
Before you move inside.
Yes,
because who say make us an enchebini. Nenchie bini on and crofobibri enimu to me a walk nenchibimu. Because nenchie only the bibiakeke or the herbs. And a abua nenchie no ne body no a containing 33 million demigods. I want to body mu. Yes. 33 million demigods, they resides in the body of a cow.
The reckon was him.
Yes.
It's in some movie ako fie fufuro
Yes.
Me ntwe na ntwe bini.
Yes.
Na me fa more
Yes.
Me fa friends who.
Ubedin say e ya grow bi na midi. But if you do this you will see say a dynamo assistant because a dan bia na obi timu no because oti ho no o create energy e wo dan nim ne ho energy wo dan nim enti ne say e sikasem anase bad luck e ho niema ana e wo dan nim a won so move inside no
wa be inherit.
Yes.
It is a medina ntwe bini
e mo be dan nim a e be neutralize all those energies e wo dan nim. Yes.
Me patch on Facebook page no ye den.
Me YouTube no.
Okay,
YouTube ni Devarishi Das Asamoah. And Facebook also Devarishi Das Asamoah. And se ope se onimi edi nkomo a obetimi afre me ewo number we eso 054 194 0276.
Okay, you could be 054
194 0276. And we so say o frame na wunyame a we na obetimi nipa we na obetimi afre no a obema wo da me ye free am metina say obi betimi aba me nchen am ye di nkomo en nti no obetimi afre nipa we ono de obema wo direction bibia because ebu a obefre me wunyame me anopa de anopa from 4:30 akosi 11 o'clock no me hear me prayers into no me fa calls. Yes. Ba o free nipa we de obetimi ene wakasa anyway di nkomo achi obabi esese wo ba your friend no Lawson Mr. Lawson. Yes 057 862 2330 057 862 2330. Yes.
Your friend Mr.
Lawson. Obetimi afre no obema appointment there me metina say because enne kra no mantina say because na me yes ceremony dia hu TV so na me ye bi and intime me woda auspicious days I am here but any every day bi anti no wo friend no obetimi ama appointment no wa be hu me physically ni edin commodity obetimi ayabo obia no we can also do to help you.
Emmanuel K. Asante say what the man is saying is true, the advanced country all do that before they build, and I think that is what makes them move on in life. Make me come messages